All right, Scotty here with Backyard Ovens. I'm here to talk to you guys about the Grande oven on the sleek line stand. This is one of our most economical ovens. If you don't have a lot of room in your yard, it's really a great piece to have. Spark-arrestor on top, keeps your embers from flying out. Comes with a damper, so you can bake some breads, lower your flames down, cook different things. It's solid weld construction, all 304 stainless steel. It's insulated super well, cooks up to 900 degrees, and heats in about 25 minutes. So it doesn't burn a lot of wood, okay? Door has a cool touch handle, so it doesn't burn your hands. This is also all 304 double wall, vent holes in front. The floor is a refractory brick floor. It's heavy duty, heavy density brick, 5-year warranty on the hearth, which is really cool and one of the best in the industry. Okay, we offer free shipping. You get all the tools with it, turning peels, oven brushes, oven rake. It also comes with the Paralina wood holder, 304 stainless. Put your wood in there, light your fire on the floor, push it all over, and get cooking. Okay, I love this little oven. It's a great oven. Comes with free shipping. You keep your wood underneath. It has an outdoor cover as well. You can't beat it. So the Grande oven is a great oven, lots of room savers, but if you want to add a beautiful prep table to it, don't forget about our Pro pizza tables. It's 304 stainless steel, lots of room to prep. It's a great piece to add to your backyard. If you want to do some serious entertaining, cook, you got lots of room. You can cook, put all your pots, pans, wood storage. Comes with an outdoor cover as well. So it's a great combination, oven and table. So love life and get cooking, get a table too.